Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to talk more about the farm animals that we find on the farm. But before we begin, we're going to do our linear calendar today. So here is our linear calendar. Do you remember what month we're in? I bet you by now, and you can spell it for me. April, you're right. Let's spell April together. A-P-R-I-L, April. What year are we in? You're right, 2020. 2020. Can anybody say what number it is today? If you said 15, you're right. A 1 and a 5 is 15. And we have a special birthday today. So can everybody sing with me? Happy birthday to Camila. Happy birthday, Camila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camila. Happy birthday to you. Camila is 5 years old today. She is getting so big, and you're doing such a good job at home with Mommy. Everybody, if you want, you can send me messages and we can post them to say happy birthday to Camila. So it is number 15 today, so Mrs. Parent's going to take her marker and cross out with an X my number 15. It's April 15th, 2020. Good job. Now, our question of the day is, does this animal say moo? If you think this animal says moo, you give a thumbs up. If you don't think he says moo, you give a thumbs down. All right, let me see what you think. If you said thumbs up, you are right. This is a cow. And cows on the farm say moo. What do cows give us that we can buy at the grocery store? Do you know what cows give us? You're right, they give us milk. And with cow's milk, we can make ice cream and yogurt and butter and lots of other things like cheese we can make from milk from a cow. So the answer was yes, cows say moo. All right, now we're going to look at our letter of the week. Do you remember what our letter of the week is? Yes. It is C for Callie Cat. C says k, 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 right? That is the sound for Callie Cat. Our uppercase C is a line you go around and stop. Same for lowercase c, but it's just a little smaller. Around and stop. The letter C is our letter of the week. Today, maybe you can practice at home writing the letter C. You can also find the letter C in your house. If you look on different boxes or toys or books, you can point out some of the letter C. Okay? Our shape of the week, rectangle. Yesterday, you were going to try and draw some rectangles, and a lot of you did a really good job. It can be pretty tricky, and I was very, very proud of you guys. Rectangle starts with the letter R. You're right. R is for rectangle. What is our number of the week? I'm going to show you how many fingers it is. Can you count them? 1, 2, 3. Here he is, our number 3. 3 is our number of the week. And if you remember, our poem goes around a tree, around a tree. That is how we make a 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That is how we make a 3. Good job. On Friday, you're going to try and practice making 3s, but you don't have to do it yet. You're going to get lots of practice. So we'll look at our chart one more time with our letter of the week, C, C, K, our number 3, and our rectangle. Excellent. Now, you have some activities that you're going to do today that Mrs. Parent wants to go over with you. But before I do, I forgot to tell you that it is National Rubber Eraser Day. Do you know what an eraser is? An eraser you find a lot of times on the end of a pencil. So when you're writing and you make a mistake, you might turn it over and erase the mistake you made. So there's rubber erasers on pencils, but there's also rubber erasers that you can buy that aren't on pencils, and they do the same thing. If you make a mistake when you're writing, you use your eraser to erase it and make it go away so you can try again. So it was National Rubber Eraser Day today. For story time, you're going to listen to a story about some animals on Mrs. Wishy-Washy's farm. And what I want you to do after you listen to the story is tell your family, someone in your family, what happens. So I want you to retell the story. Say what happens in the beginning, in the middle, and the end. Okay? So that is what we are going to be doing for reading time. For math time, you are going to pick a number, anywhere from 1 to 10. So you can pick 1, you can pick 2, you can pick 3, you can pick 4, you can pick 5, you can pick 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. And what you're going to do is you're going to write that number down. So you can use your whiteboard if you have one at home, or you can use paper and a pencil or paper and a crayon. I'm going to show you my board here. I'm going to pick the number 5. So I'm going to write the number 5 on my board. Okay, you see my number 5? So now that I picked 5 and I wrote that number on my board, now my job is to go and find 5 things. Okay, so I went around my house and I decided I wanted to collect crayons. So I picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, one fell, 5 crayons. Can you see my 5 crayons? So I picked a number, I wrote it down, and then I found that many things. So you can pick your own number at home and do that for math today. The last thing you're going to do is dance. You can either put some music on the radio, you can play music on your TV or on YouTube, but I want you to dance with your family today, any way that you like. That's how we're going to get our exercise today, is by dancing. That is it for today. Tomorrow, I'm looking forward to seeing you all again on Google Meet, where we can talk to each other and see each other's faces. So we're going to do circle time tomorrow on Google Meet. So you will get to see all of your friends too. All right. I can't wait to see you. Bye.